Had it for 9 years. My father bought it for me for my 14th birthday. Absolutely fell in love with it. The car didn't run, needed quite a bit of restoration work. The car changed my life. I actually got a degree in auto mechanics because you know, my interest in this car. I've been an ongoing, you know, campaign enthusiast for Fiat. You know, it's been a 9-year campaign. So it was great to see him come back in the States again, and I'm gonna, you know, continue that campaign, and I'll never get rid of this car. I'll have a Fiat forever, hopefully several more.
When we were here, there were a lot of vintage Fiat 500s, but this year there's all these brand new beautiful ones. So we're very excited, and again, this has been our biggest support group, so I'm just so thrilled to be here. The Fiat-Lancia Unlimited Club has been huge supporters for over 28 years, and like I said, they're the ones that have been spreading the word. It's, my favorite is Sean's, as usual, even though I think I'm going to have to void his warranty because he towed his original 500 with his brand new 500 all the way in here from the Baltimore, Virginia area, which I think, again, is great.
There's this panache, this joie de vivre, this spirit to Italian cars, regardless of how much they cost or how big or small they are, that no other country in the world duplicates, and that's why we have a passionate love for them.